She's going to rap slob on my knob, and we're going to dance to slob on my knob. Get ready for slob on my knob. It's my corn on the cob.
Wait,
Check in with me.
Wait, don't. Sweatshirt?
No, you look good.
Dude, we're doing it now.
You look good. All right.
All right.
This one?
Yeah, but
Oh, and then
gotta get up, nigga.
Slob on my knob, like corn on the cob. Check in with me and do your job. Lay on the bed and give me head. Don't have to ask, don't have to beg.
Juicy is my name, sex is my game. Let's call the boys, let's run a train. Squeeze on my butt, put on my butt. Natural curly hair, please don't touch. First name mate, second find a place. Third find a bag, hide the whole face. Real name Rover, I said bend over. Started to knock, then came her odor. Smelled like mush, shoulda had a whoosh. Told her to stop and take a douche. While she said that, I didn't want the cat. So I bounced out, and then we came back. Suck a nigga dick or something. 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 My nigga do magic. I said he had a habit. I didn't forget it. It is too crowded. Know you little freak. In Hollywood. Sucks on dick. Does it real good. She'll give you money. Feel up on your tummy. House full of kids. Parents all scummy. Once she had it down. Backyard ground. Hit it from the back and enjoy the sound. Lay on the cover. Always use the rubber. Till I got caught. Fucking with her mother. She blamed it on me. We fought in the street. She pulled out a knife, so I had to flee. Called up the boys, went to our house, charged the whole place, threw the bitch out. Police busted in, where the niggas at? We left just in time and never came back. Rolled through the hood, waving at the freaks, tooting rocks and smoking all the geeks. Made another stop, police station, saw a few cops, drove by straight up. License tag number, a nigga said he had it. Focus all the time, never get caught.
Slob on my cat, should know it's fat. Check in with me and do that.
Yes, so you're free. I know you from the streets. My nigga Herbert T. And said you chew his beef. They call you little man, the one who starts on bed and drips a nigga's nut until you feel it fed. To see what she's about, I creep to her house to catch her in her blouse. To see how big her mouth. She pulled me to her room to get the fucking soul. I didn't have a brother, I fuck with two balloons. Lay on the bed, that's all she said. Her pussy has one rough, twisted tight as dreads. The fucking sounds were tunes. I fucked her with a pole. She rode it like a horse, the blood and rushing soul. When I say that, I didn't want the cat, so I bounced out and never came back. My nigga deep magic, and said he finally got it. The chick called so, he said he had to have it. Know a little freak, in big house, licks upset, like licking stats. She'll break your bridges, blow your bridgy kisses. House full of G's, freaks, whores, bitches. Had the little freak in my nigga Jeep, tried to spit some game to get us up my meat. Name undercover, my natural how she love it. Stop, bitch, please don't touch it. Took us to some hood and let her all around. 7th Street, 9th Street, I think I was in Brown. Now she's in the clip, I told her suck it dick. I took her workout out, the bitch was smoking bricks. Straight shoot a flow pipe, that's all she bought. Running from the rehab, never got caught.
Hurry up. Already ran the whole thing. Oh, nigga.